So if we look at question number 4, using expense purchases, sales, and drawings account, Paloma owns a grocery store. The business's opening statement of financial position on the 1st of October 2018 was as shown as the following page. So all of these are the opening balance. As we record this, we need to record them as balance brought down. So now let's look at our assets. We have fittings, bank, cash, and then we have one account called capital. So the first account will be called fittings, then bank, then cash, then capital. So as we record them, we have to write them down. The date will be 2018 October 1st. Balance brought down. So we just need to extend. No. 2018 October 1st. Balance brought down. And probably 10. And then cash here. Capital here. Okay, then we need to record all the numbers down. So for the first one, it is 8,600, 7,800, 700, and capital will be 17,100. First one, done. Purchase good for resale and paid in cash, so it goes under purchases account. So we need to open a purchases account on the 4th of October 2018. Always debit your purchases account and then we paid in cash. So write cash here, 500. Cash here, 500. Purchases 2018 October 4. Second one, purchase goods for resale on credit 4,240. So if you're certain with your purchases account, then it's quite easy already. Trade payable because we bought it on credit. Trade payables October 6. So we need to open a trade payable account. 4,240 purchases 6/2018 October 6. Next one, number 7, cash sales total 990. So we need to write in our cash. We received cash total of 990 from sales. So if you're not sure sales is what side or which side, then you can actually identify it. Since we debited cash, we have to credit sales. 990 cash October 7, 2018. Next one, paid rent for the month, check 770. So we paid means that the money goes out of your bank account, 770 to your rent account. 2018 October 11. So we need to open a rent account. 2018 October 11, bank 770. Next, Paloma withdrew cash. Withdrew cash 110 for private use. When you see the word private use, you need to open a drawings account, which is considered to be a special account where we always debit it. So with drawings, we will debit the drawings account by 110 and the money comes from the cash account. 2018 October 12. So we go to our cash account, the money will go out and it is drawn out due to the drawing for private use. Sale on credit total 440. So now you go to your sales account, right? 440 on credit, then you will be trade receivable because for every sales you will actually receive the money. Well, eventually or immediately. So if it is eventually, then it goes to an account called trade receivable. Whereby one day the person that owes you the money will pay you the money. Trade receivable will be 440 under sales. The date would be October 15, 2018, October 15. Sold some unwanted fittings with the value of 300 and received cash for this amount. So we received cash, not really sure what to write, right? 300 there, and then we are going to debit our fittings account. So once we debited our fittings account, we will write October 18, go to our fittings account, the amount will be credited. October 18, cash 300 here. So debit and credit done. Paid trade payables 3,000 by check. So the money will go out of your bank account. 3,000. Where does it go? To your trade payable account. Because now we are paying off our debts. On the October 22nd, so trade payable will be 3,000 here. Bank. October 22nd, 2018. Next, receive cash 210 from trade receivable. So cash you receive, write it on the debit side. Where do you get it from? From trade receivable. So naturally, you will have to just write on the other side of the trade receivable account on October 25th. Go to your trade receivable October 25th, 2018. They paid you by cash 210. And the last one, Paloma withdrew a check, 390 for private use. Since we withdrew a check, means the money comes out of your bank account now. 390, go to your drawings account, and then October 29. So go to your drawings account, always on the debit side, 29, right? Bank instead of cash because we withdrew a check, 390. And that would be all.